Sorry about that, guys. My camera just cut the video. I wasn't checking the time that nicely. So yes, this word is man, and I just checked now. Mane is, so you know how horses have that long hair on their necks, or lions have around their head and neck. Okay, so that is called a mane. It's like long hair that is usually found around the neck of like a wild animal, um, or just like a animal. We'll just say it for that for now. Sometimes they say people like humans have a long mane, which is like long, thick black hair. Okay, and then we have the word rat, and rat will change to eight, rate. Okay, and rate is like when you sometimes if you go to a place, they will ask you to please rate the place. That means you have to say you have to say how good it was or how bad it was. Okay, so that's when you rate something. You say how good it was or how bad it was. And then we have mat, and mat changes to eight, mate. So mate is like a friend, or like with animals. Um, it's animals sometimes have a mate, and that's when they produce offspring or babies, and so that yes, the animal kingdom can grow. And then we have frame, um, and lane, tape, and cake. Okay, so these ones are frame, lane. A frame is where you put the picture. Lane is like a road, or a passage, a small passage. And tape is the normal sellotape, you can think about like that. And cake. Okay, and I've put 4 lines here so that you can please put your own A words, A and silent E words for the A. And yeah, put some pictures if you can, just to help you remember the word. And then just for handwriting, okay, for handwriting we're gonna do the letter K today. So you haven't done this pattern before, which is the L pattern. So you would start slanting, going straight up, sorry, not straight up, slanting up to line 1, curve at the top and come straight down. Remember that straight down part. Slanting up again, turn at the top and come straight down. When I say straight down, it's like drawing a line, and then you can end. So this is called the L pattern. I want you to do it 3 times, and then you can do the cup pattern. Because you've done it before, you can just do it 2 times, okay, or just do it 3 times. It's fine, just to make it equal. Remember guys, you're doing these patterns because it's helping your hands remember how to do cursive. And remember, when you're doing these patterns, do not lift your hand up, even if it's a little bit hard, but you need to practice not lifting your hand up. All of these things are getting you ready for when you need to write cursive, and if you don't practice it now, you are really going to struggle with cursive. Okay, so make sure you practice it nicely. And then the letter K, capital K, and 1 finger space. So you go straight down from the top of line 1, and then from the middle, slanting up and slanting down. It's not curve, it's not curve up, it's straight down, slanting. Okay, and then the small one as well, from line 1 straight down, but now you go to the middle of line 2. So you go to the middle of line 2, and from there you go slanting until the top of line 2, and slanting down to the top of line 2. Okay, so you can just do 2 rows of that, sorry, 3 rows of that. And just to show you, it's not this and this. Okay, that's wrong. It's also not this. I know some people do it from there. It mustn't go there, it must come from the middle there. Okay, so please guys, just watch out for those mistakes. Those are wrong. Please do it correctly like this. And that's it for your English today.